Hey there, I'm Ryan Seymour, the lead designer with Ranger Design, and I'm here today to show you guys the new BrightDrop Zevo 600. It's upfit with our delivery package, and I'm really excited to show you guys. So here, come on in. So first, we'll talk about the floor. This is our E-floor that we have similar in our other electric vehicles. We've adapted here for the BrightDrop, so it's doing the same method of installation where we're picking up the OEM lashing points, and we're not modifying the original vehicle structure to attach this floor. But then this is used to attach our products to the load-bearing surface of the floor using tapping inserts, which each tapping insert has over 800 pounds of pull-out force. Also talking about the installation, we've added a mounting platform, a versatile mounting platform that we can attach our products to, not only being constrained to the dimensions of the vehicle, where they're structured. We've created our own installation structure using the mounting platform and rails at the upper and mid portions of the vehicle to attach our product to. The frame continues over to the front, where we've also utilized and maximized the space of the vehicle to attach our product to. We have our fold-away shelving system using composite substrate and aluminum extrusion on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we are showcasing the versatility of the install by showing our storage solutions, parts keeper cabinet, and composite aluminum locker. And as we move towards the rear passenger side, we have our patented continuous aluminum fold-away shelving. What's really cool about this shelving is that it is a continuous design. It allows for long boxes or for the loading of boxes at the rear of the shelving and being able to push those boxes forward. And if you ever do want to fold up one tray, you'll notice that the end cap does come up, provides a support at the end so boxes will not fall off. And all you need to do is fold back down your tray, push the middle section down to lock in place, and now you have your continuous shelf again. And another highlight on this side, you'll see that we also added aluminum wall liners. These are just covering the original structure of the vehicle to kind of add a clean finish and also protecting the composite panels that are made in the vehicle. And that is our delivery package in the BrightDrop Zevo 600. For more information, you can come visit us online, rangerdesign.com. Thank you.